In this video, let me show you how to withdraw your funds instantly using bank transfer and PrizePicks. Access your PrizePicks account through a mobile app or the website. Click on the menu icon located at the top left on the app and the top right on the website. Then select Request Withdrawal. Next, choose your withdrawal method. Select Instant Bank Transfer (ACH) as your preferred option. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw, ensuring it meets the minimum withdrawal requirement of $10. Confirm that your bank account information is accurate. Note that withdrawals must be made to a bank account you've previously used for deposits. Once all the information is correct, continue with the withdrawal process. Submit your withdrawal request. You'll receive a one-time password via email to verify the transaction. The first withdrawal may take up to 6 to 12 hours due to security verification, but any subsequent withdrawals are typically processed instantly. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.